Beware of misleading videos claiming to showcase the iPhone 17 Pro. The highly anticipated iPhone 17 Pro has officially launched, and with it comes a wave of deceptive videos that are circulating online. Apple recently unveiled the iPhone 17 Pro and its larger counterpart, the Pro Max, during a live event on Tuesday. Pre-orders for these new devices will kick off on Friday, September 12th, with shipping set to begin just a week later on September 19th. Interestingly, some influencers, like the popular YouTuber Mr. Beast, managed to get their hands on the devices early, attending the event to share their experiences. However, not all the content being shared is genuine. Numerous creators are posting fabricated videos that claim to demonstrate features of the iPhone 17 Pro that simply do not exist. For instance, one particularly viral clip on Instagram Reels has garnered an astonishing 1.5 million likes and 130 million views. This video features the cosmic orange variant of the phone, showcasing a rotating camera system that supposedly reveals a hidden selfie screen. If you search for the iPhone 17 on Instagram, you'll find that similar misleading videos dominate the top results for Reels. Interestingly, many viewers seem to recognize the fakeness of these videos. One user commented, "Yeah, it's going to take them 10 more years for this feature to be real." While another pointed out, it would have been more realistic if you held the other phone in your left hand. It looks like you have two right hands. The creator behind the video featuring the rotating camera is VFX artist Roman Bykov, who has produced other viral content related to the iPhone 17 Pro. In one of his videos, he depicts an iPhone that can change colors with a simple tap on its case, although, unfortunately, the actual iPhone 17 Pro does not come in green or red. Another video shows a concept of the phone featuring a second display on the back, which could be used for scrolling through messages. It's important to clarify that Apple has not released an iPhone with a heat-sensitive, color-changing body, despite what some of these videos might suggest. On a positive note, the real iPhone 17 Pro does boast an impressive selfie camera, featuring up to 18 megapixels, a significant upgrade from the 12 megapixels found in previous models. This new camera can automatically adjust its orientation based on the scene, allowing users to capture wide group selfies without needing to rotate their phones. Additionally, the rear camera system includes three 48 megapixels fusion cameras along with an ultra-wide lens, enhancing the photography experience. While the viral videos of the iPhone 17 Pro are clearly manipulated, they still have the potential to mislead unsuspecting viewers. So, how can you spot a fake video? If you suspect a video might be AI generated, check out our comprehensive guide on identifying such content. If you think a video might be showcasing a factory fake or a dummy model of the iPhone, pay close attention to the camera bumps, as these are often telltale signs of counterfeit Apple products. Lastly, always ensure that you are watching videos from credible sources rather than visual effects artists. What do you think about the prevalence of fake tech videos? Have you ever been misled by one? Share your thoughts in the comments below.